Hey guys, welcome back to CLOCKWISE Crypto. Hope you guys are moving forward in everything that you do. Diving right into what's happening right in the markets right now. Bitcoin extending down to 57,000 as Fed leaves rates unchanged. Now, everyone was expecting another rate bump. Okay, some people were praying for another rate hike. Okay, the Fed left the rates unchanged, and the markets, the crypto markets, are tanking as a result. Let's dive into this article here, and I'll give you my 2 cents on what is happening, and really encouraging everyone to view this as an opportunity. Do not view this as, that short-term thinking that, oh, I didn't make millions already. No, this is an opportunity to accumulate. Okay, opportunity. Especially when we look at that fear greed index. But we'll dive into this article real quick here. Bitcoin slid to its lowest level in over 2 months to kick off May as the Federal Reserve held interest rates steady. Cryptocurrency at one point dropped 5% to 56,526, its lowest level since February 27th. And it was last lower by about 4% at 56,954. Investors have been focused on the latest interest rate decision from the Federal Reserve, which concluded its 2-day policy meeting, which we call FOMC. The central bank kept its benchmark short-term borrowing rate unchanged as expected. And I know people in the real estate industry were planning for another hike. They didn't believe that it was going to be unchanged. They were planning for another hike, but it didn't happen. So looking here, the broader macro backdrop has deteriorated for assets like crypto that thrive on liquidity. Now, with that being said, guys, this is a short-term play. Okay, the United States has an election coming up this year. A lot of things are going on this year. Okay, think big picture. I need everyone to think big. Think big picture. Think about the long term resilience of crypto, and think about the lives that have already been changed because of long-term thinking. Okay, think long-term. Do not fall into the FOMO. Okay, not even the FOMO right now. I would say the FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. There's a lot of FUD that's gonna come. Okay, because everyone's saying Bitcoin 100,000 immediately. It's not happening yet. Okay, and we'll look at the charts. But also some other news that we see here is the former CEO of Binance CEO was sentenced to 4 months in prison over money laundering charges, completely wasting taxpayer dollars. You're sending someone for 4 months, white collar crimes. He's not even he's in. As soon as he's in, he's out. Okay, he's got sentenced 4 months on the federal level, immediately eligible for halfway house. Actually, he'll probably get probation with 4 months. He probably won't even see prison. He probably won't even go to prison, guys. 4 months. Okay. So wasting taxpayers' dollars, all that time wasted for what? Okay. This is what happens in the United States, guys. Welcome to America. For those of you that are in America, Bitcoin investors here, they're saying expect a strong recovery in the cryptocurrency later this year, but says this price could continue to chop for the next few weeks given macro and geopolitical pressures. We could see a 1 to 2 month consolidation in Bitcoin prices, trading the range with swings of 10,000 on either side, says another analyst. So definitely a lot going on here. Here we see here that May 2024 is poised to be a pivotal month for the crypto market, influenced by critical events that will shape its trajectory. Okay, Federal Reserve meetings, April CPI report. And you see here, right here, we're looking at all urban consumers. We're looking at, really all items less food and energy. And this is pretty much reporting by the U.S. Bureau of Labor and Statistics. So you can see what is happening. Okay. And then we have Bitcoin Asia conference coming. We have legal challenges, Tornado Cash trial, just a ton of FUD that's happening right now. They're going to say is impacting the markets. I think this was going to happen either way. Okay. Look at the charts here. This is the chart that we had. We see how that major level was broken at. What did I tell you guys? I said if that level was broken, we make a new low. The next level is 52. Okay. We'll go to the weekly time frame. I don't really see those key points on a weekly, but weekly 52 holds tried and true again. when it comes to the next level of support. So we will put that there just as a place mark. Okay, just as a place mark, we'll put it there so you can kind of see what we're looking at when it comes to our technical analysis. Okay, so I did say if we did make a new low, we did break this level, the next step would be 52. Okay, we called that a couple weeks ago. And really, it's not about being right. It's just about being prepared, right? That's all it is. It's just about being prepared. Okay. We saw this divergence forming and it didn't really pop because it stayed in range. But like I said, as soon as we broke this 50 level, that's when it was go time. So definitely keeping our eyes open for this next level for Bitcoin. We are seeing, if we look at what's going on in other markets, other cryptocurrencies across, the ecosystems, we see that there is not a lot of bullish sentiment right now. Okay. We're even all the way down to 47 on fear of greed. Now, I think I just said this the other day. I might have said yesterday or the day before. This is the time to buy. Okay. We don't buy when we're green. Okay. We said this: yellow, orange, red on fear green index is a buy indicator. Okay, so love what I'm seeing here with price action for some opportunities. Cardano 44 cents opportunities. You have let's look here at H bar at 9 cents. Would not be surprised if H bar falls back in range for some more opportunities. I'm pretty much backed up on H bar. If I do accumulate more, it might be Cardano. XRP showing promise. I did have one of the guys that are, does work for us sometimes. I went to his house to drop off some computer equipment that needs repaired. And he said he's holding a bag of Stellar. And I'm like, he thought about dumping it. I'm like, bro, if you dump it, just sell it. Give it to me at OTC. Okay. Over the counter. I'll buy it from you over the counter. Let's just do that deal. Okay. You're selling 100,000 Stellar. Let me get that. Okay, I'm not sleeping on Stellar for whatever reason. Jem and Caleb, not sleeping on it. Don't really care what happens. Short term, long term, sleeping giant. Polygon, 67 cents. Discounts. Okay, we got discounts. Okay, so with that discount, I am not worried. Okay, even here in the top community post, Binance founder CZ sentenced 4 months in prison, a term significantly shorter than the 3-year duration sought by prosecutors. Okay, dude's not even gonna touch. By the time he's in, he's out. Okay, to be eligible for even like the halfway house, you got to be like, I think probation is under a year. You can get probation. He might even get probation. He might not even go inside. And if he does go inside, he's probably going to a camp. So by the time he gets there, he's out. It's a waste of time, waste of taxpayer dollars. I swear. Ethereum holding strong at 2,900. Solana still at 129. I would love to see Solana drop under 100. That might be a good opportunity to accumulate for us. Altcoin, not really that excited about Altcoin. I do not think it belongs in the top 10. I just don't think yet. I think just due to Telegram's massive network, I do think it's there. I think that's the sole reason why it's there. But I think this is Telegram's coin, right? Yeah, it is. Okay, thought so. Just to that massive network and what they've done from a community standpoint, I do think that it's that's why it's up there. But I don't think it's gonna stay. I just don't think so. But we'll see. We'll dive into it. Avalanche discount down 10%, 10.5% for the week. I would love to see Avalanche more in the $20 range for accumulation purposes. Polkadot holding strong. Still, I think there's opportunity, guys. So when Bitcoin drops, I think it's going to hit 52. Okay, when Bitcoin hits 52, I expect every altcoin to be on sale. Okay, every altcoin to be on sale for people to get another opportunity to accumulate. Okay, so just wanted to highlight that here, guys. Use this as an opportunity. Do not fall into this fear greed index. Do not fall victim to that. Okay, it is an index, it is an indicator, and it's showing what the masses are thinking. Do not think with the masses. Think for yourself. have reverse mindset. Remember the long-term value that is right in front of you, guys. So hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. We'll see you soon.